When utilizing section control on a Generation 4 display, we have the ability to come down to the bottom of the shortcut bar and turn section control on and off. Very simple. There are additional settings for section control that we can adjust. In order to access those, go to the menu, select Applications, then select Section Control. We have the ability to turn our master on and off, which we just did at the shortcut bar. If we have boundaries or headland boundaries, in addition, we can use the headland control feature. In this case, we have boundaries but not headland boundaries, so it's not allowing us to use that feature. We also have the ability to turn using boundaries on. So we do have a boundary for this field, so if we would like section control to shut off when we're outside of that boundary, we would select use boundaries. Then once boundaries are turned on, if we have our headland boundaries set up, we can use the headland control feature. Headland control will not be used in most applications. We also have the ability to set up our overlap. So currently we have set up 100% overlap, which is what we're going to want in almost all cases. If we would like to change that, we can select a pencil icon and we have the ability to change our settings. So 100% overlap is basically the same thing we had with the minimize skip function on the 2630 display. So that allows us to make sure all of the field is covered when crossing an area. So in this case, like a point row, it's saying the whole field has to be covered before it shuts off. Conversely, if we pick 0% overlap, we're saying we want no overlap whatsoever. So when we see that point row, it's going to go ahead and shut off as soon as it touches, and it will leave a small section uncovered. So in most cases, we're going to want to pick 100% overlap. If concerned about coverage, we do have the ability to set 100% overlap plus additional. This allows us to add in the amount of additional coverage overlap we would like to add. So if we would like to add 1 foot overlap to our coverage, we can go ahead and put in 1 foot. So it's basically saying make sure you cover everything and then give me an additional foot of overlap just to make sure I get everything covered. So one example where we might use that is a 1795 beam planter that has 2 ranks. So I have to set my control point in the middle of the 2 ranks, which will leave a very small portion unseated by the 1 rank. So in order to get everything seated, I could use the 100% overlap plus additional feature, so I have no overlap whatsoever when I have those multiple drop points. If I was using multiple operations, for example, a rate controller on a planter running the starter fertilizer, you would see your multiple operations, corn, then additional, and you can turn each operation on or off if desired. Once complete with section control settings, go ahead and close out and return to the run page.